right, today we're going to do a review of the Cartman Tire Tool Universal Lug Wrench. Now, you might be asking yourself, oh my goodness gracious, why would somebody do a review of a lug wrench? Well, there's two good reasons for that. The first reason, of course, you're going to want to know, is this a good quality tool, well-made tool? Well, yes, the Cartman products, they make all kinds of things like trailer hitches and things like that, and they're known for their quality work. Yes, it's a good tool, well made. It's not going to break the first time you use it, okay? It's really good. But the second thing about that is you're wondering, well, do I really need one? Why do I need to get one of these things? Didn't my car come with a tire tool wrench for changing flats or something like that? Well, yes and no. If you have a trailer, a boat trailer or a RV or something like that, that you might get a flat on, you carry a spare tire for, you might want to get one of these. And why is that? Well, it's because there's a really good chance that tire tool that came with your tow vehicle, with your pickup or your little SUV or something, isn't going to fit the tires on your trailer. You would think that there would be some kind of universal lug wrench size or something like that. Well, there's not, okay? That lug wrench that came with your tow vehicle may be too big or too small to fit the lugs on your trailer. We had a flat tire a month or so ago, and I'm so glad I had one of these when it happened. And I thought I would share that with other people so that maybe they won't have the problem we almost had. And so anyway, nobody thinks about their lug wrench and their jack and the things like that that's hidden somewhere in the back of their vehicle until you need it. Well, you might want to check it out, especially if you're towing a trailer, okay? Make sure that your lug wrench that came with your tow vehicle fits the lugs on your trailer, your boat trailer or whatever, because there's a pretty good chance, based on my own research, a 50-50 chance that it's not going to fit. By 50-50, I show you what I mean. I brought 4 lug wrenches with me today that I just happen to have from the 4 cars that are within my sphere of existence, okay? I borrowed or brought some, okay? Let's see how it works out, all right? Okay, here we go. Let's try these out right here. This one actually came with our tow vehicle. This is the lug wrench off of our SUV, our good size SUV. Let's see how it works. Okay, it kind of works. There's a pretty good chance it'll work. It's kind of wobbly. There's something of a chance that putting a lot of weight on this might strip this nut. That would be bad, but in a pinch, yeah, it might have worked. Okay, that's that one. All right, here is the lug wrench off of our son's car. This is the one that came with his vehicle. Let's see if it fits at all. Okay, as you can see, look at this. It does not fit at all. All right, and I would be willing to bet that virtually every vehicle made by this manufacturer would have the exact same lug wrench and it would not fit. And some of them, this manufacturer makes pretty good sized vehicles that you could easily tow an RV the size of ours. That would be a problem, okay? Because it doesn't fit at all, all right? All right, here's another one that's just an old truck of mine, okay? And a really kind of old truck, all right? Here we go, let's see if it's gonna work. Okay, as you can see, maybe, hopefully, it doesn't fit at all. It's a little too small. It won't go on there at all. So here is the lug wrench that I bought. It not only does it fit, it fits snugly, okay? It doesn't stand a chance of, hardly a chance of stripping out these lug nuts or anything like that. It works really well. And this is the one we used on our flat tire. This flat tire right here a few weeks ago, okay? As luck would have it, our flat happened as we were pulling into the campground. We limped it to our campsite. I just took this off and took it into town 20 minutes away and got a new tire put on it. So we dodged the bullet, everything worked out. It didn't happen out on the freeway or anything like that. It was an easy fix, but I had this lug wrench. It worked great, okay? So there you go. I said about 50-50. Well, yep, 50-50. One is maybe works, and the other two don't work at all. Okay, so what you need to do is check your tow vehicle's jack and lug wrench to make sure it's going to fit the lug bolts on, or the nuts on your trailer. If everything works perfectly, everything fits, fine, you don't need to buy one of these. But I like having one of these, not just because it helps me if I have a flat, but if somebody else has a flat and they're discovering the hard way that their wrench doesn't fit their trailer, okay, you get to be the hero, produce one of these things, and the first thing they do, and I've had this happen, is go, oh my God, where did you get that? Well, they're not expensive, okay, and you can get you a real good one. And so there you go. This is the Cartman Universal 4-way lug wrench or tire tool. I wouldn't leave the house without one.